people también.
Tienen un generator.
Huh? Who?
Estos güeyes de aquí.
Oh. Oh my god.
That's the console. Bro, you see those lightnings?
Oh, he's a neighbor.
Yeah.
He was making. That was nice of him.
¿Crees que venga para atrás?
I don't know. I hope not. Oh, these people don't have a lot of trees. So it doesn't look too. Yeah.
Bro.
Ah.
I wonder how far that is. Seems far.
Okay, was there a third one for Hazel? Oh, yeah, it is.
Should I go help?
Como veas tú.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Is Dad gonna go help?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why does Dad need to go help?
Just to help, Mama. That tree right there snapped and it's blocking, and this is a big road to our neighborhood. Like, this is the main one, and then there's one going back this way. I didn't realize how blocked off it was, but look over back there, all of that. Ugh.
Damn, baby.
Oh my god. Fue la única, ¿no?
All the wind.
Oh.
I can't. My heart. My heart.
Well, that's why we have no power.
Mira.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. ¿Qué pasó?
Is that a power line?
Yeah.
Can I go?
I don't know. I mean, if it's off, right? If they went through it.
Damn, baby.
Oh my god. That's like the whole...
Neighborhood.
Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. Phil.
Mira.
¿Fue un carro? There's a car right there, no? Are they okay?
Yeah.
Why were they stopped like that?
I don't know.
¿Está limpiando el señor?
¿Tú traes botas?
No, traigo shoes.
Yo tampoco.
I don't have any boots to... ¿Quieres que yo le dé?
No, está bien.
You sure?
We gotta come tomorrow with the dump trailer. No, pero pues, ¿cómo? You can't get the fucking trailer.
He's gonna go check it out. It's like hella muddy and flooded. We got hit by a tornado. And it's like starting to settle in because I couldn't believe it, you know? But it's crazy. It looks crazy. So we can't really get too much because it's dark and it's late. We were just driving through one of like the big power, what is it? One of like the big power lines is down, like literally on the ground. So our side of like the whole neighborhood and like the side of like town is out of power. So we've been out of power since like 9:30 maybe, and it's midnight. So there's like ambulances going down, fire trucks, police. Everybody's just kind of like checking in on everybody, making sure that everyone's okay. Our neighbors are okay. Everyone on our street is okay, but it looks kind of rough. And we don't know the full extent of what it looks like, and we won't know until tomorrow morning or tomorrow. So we drove out to see the house because we were worried that it was gonna, the roof was gonna be off or whatever. It has no doors. So they had just put up the sheetrock, and we were over here earlier today. So we were worried, but it looks like everything looks okay. We won't know. I think we'll be back tomorrow so that we can see it in the daylight. But yeah, it's craziness. Look at this.
Grandma Moxie?
No, did it look like her?
Yes.
I don't know if that like fully captures.
What is that?
That was the tree that fell on top, cracked the windshield. We still have no power. Look at all of that between our neighbors. Backyard looks like a shit show. And then we have a whole bunch of trees. And then our back door looks like there's just stuff everywhere. Let's see. Right there. Neighbors are already helping. Yeah.
It's so bad.
Why?
Because we have 7 more trees.
All the little June bugs didn't make it.
I wasn't talking about those bricks. These bricks.
Oh.
How would it get down these bricks?
What do you mean?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, I told you to go put some shorts on or something. It's about to be 9 and we still don't have any power. One of the power lines fell kind of like closer to the front of the street, and I think it's like knocking all of this side, because once you get up to the front of the street, I guess, or that area, they have power. But all of this over here, and then there's a lot of people back over on the other side that don't have any power. So they were saying that everyone around the city or in the city did have, but we're out of the city limits. We don't have any power. So there's trees cracked. It's a mess. But then it's so dark inside the house. Debating whether we want to go get some breakfast maybe and some coffee so that we can start cleaning this mess. It's crazy. This is our backyard. We don't have any power. We just got the pool clear. And well, now it's not running. So
It's dirty again.
there's that. Yeah. There's like shit everywhere in it.
And yeah, in the front we had 7 more trees.
Yeah.
And tomorrow is coming.
Yeah.
It was windy. And we got my pail. We got my pail.
We got muddy puddles.
Yep.
Careful, you guys.
Mom, when the lecture,
And then we have like this
Mama,
big old thing over
Mom, when the lights come back, can you dry her? Watch out.
here. Look, that was a hill. Look how big they were. You can kind of see like the size of it.
Mom, then what's the white thing?
It's ice. Go. Come on. And our pool is green again.
Watch out.
It really was clear. You remember? You remember how clear it was?
Yes.
Vente.
Grandma, mira, este ice. No, Mama, this is
Sí, es el... ¿Sí, no?
No, ese es No, mamá, ese es What's the ice? No, mamá, no la agarres.
Está sucia el agua.
It's really ice, Mom. Watch out.
Oh. Entonces no es.
Now we twist on.
Yeah. Look, you can't even see our walkway.
Whoa, that just shot at me.
Yes, be careful. Our plum tree. Mire, ahí estaba el arbolito.
¿Dónde quedó?
Pues ahí está. Todo esto yo creo, no sé.
No, este no es.
Entonces por allá. Mire. Oh my God.
What? Don't even let knocks.
Y'all be careful. Sí. Come on. Come here.
I'm going here. I'm not falling.
That tree fell. Oh my goodness. And then this one.
Mom, look, there's half a tree broken.
Yes,
on the
yeah,
same
look.
tree.
Yeah.
Look, do you see that? Do you see that wood?
Para allá, ¿verdad? Ese de allá se ve que se va a caer.
¿Cuál, mamá? ¿Aquel?
Ajá.
Sí, sí se va a caer, sí está astillado. Hay que jalarlo. Sí.
I see the chicken. I see the chicken.
We're going that way, Mama.
Mamacita. A ver, no le hace mira.
Oh.
I see the chicken. What?
Mira, casi le pega el shop, ¿verdad?
Sí, casi. La rama de
Oh
ella
my
está
God.
quebrada, mamá.
¿Cuál?
Allá arriba, allá arriba, allá arriba.
Oh, ya la vi.
Sí.
Up there.
Esta está
And then-
bien, mira.
Uf.
Se partió el árbol. A ver, mamá, para allá no pueden ir, mira, está muy, hay mucho árbol tirado. A ver, mamá.
Mire, y ahí hay otro por allá también. Come here, come this way. Por aquí arriba.
Allá.
Yeah, get up there.
Where? Ow! It just poked me.
Be very careful with the branches. Yeah.
Pues que van a tener mucho.
I never got to be on this, Mom.
Mande.
Se cayeron todos los gusanitos y la...
Mama! How's Grandma get to go over there?
¿Ya lo vio?
Ay, aunque va a durar.
This side, this is the back of our property, and it looks like it got hit worse than ours. Look. Pero no está nada allá, no está allá adentro. Cerra-
Es la que yo creo siempre
Andaba.
sí, afuera.
Yeah. Cause it's really hard over here, Mama. Ay, no. Y la casa de allá. Mire. Se les quebró bien feo un árbol. Pero no les pegó, ¿verdad?
No, porque ahí se lo habían derramado, mamá.
Ay.
Oye, no la agarrarían. No creo, ¿verdad?
No, yo creo que a lo mejor sí, pero yo creo ya estaba muerta, ¿no? O iré porque es toda su alita.
Está ahí.
Oh.
¿Quién andaría esa?
A lo mejor no la apachurraría algo, un árbol o algo, ¿no?
Mamá, me encontré.
Don't squeeze it. Be careful. Gentle.
How to hold it? How to hold it?
This back side is definitely caught the worst. O arriba de sus plantitas. Up in that tree. Do you see it?
Ahí, lo blanco.
Look at that.
Ahí, mamá. Que parece una casita. El blanco que está ahí, ¿ya
A
lo viste?
baby.
No, aquí no. Allá, Jesús. ¿Ya viste? ¿Ya viste?
Do you have a house upstairs?
No, Mama. It's like a plastic thing. We're gonna go see if there's a chainsaw in there, and from like when they did tree trimmings, so he's gonna go see if it works, or we're gonna take it home and see if it works so that we can start cutting down some of the trees. We really haven't done much of cleaning. No, we're about to, maybe hold on, we haven't done much cleaning because, okay, hold on.
Mama, are we doing the front or the back?
I don't know yet because we came out to grab a bite, and it's late now. It's like 1, and then we went and go look at all the other houses. Close tomorrow, yeah, house to house, and make sure that everything, no trees to block anything, so whole roofs full off.
Okay, maybe I should fly down. Go for it. What? YouTube.
You want me to take it a los trastes sucios?
Yep.
I love y'all.
Look, her niece is riding on the back.
Oh.
They're going on a walk.
My battery's about to die. I don't know how to charge it. Oh, we just got a generator to cool the fridges because we've been without power for 18 hours now. Craziness. We're gonna be coming up on 24 hours tonight, and it's looking like the co-op that we have for electricity is saying that it might take anywhere from 2 to 8 days. Yep. So there's that. I already told them I can't work tomorrow. I'm not gonna log in because it's just trying to get all of this situated, right? So yeah, More to come. Literally, I think our biggest thing is that Babe has snakes down in the shop, so he's trying to keep those at the temperature that they need to be, and that is the biggest thing. Up here we have our dog and our cat, and they're fine. What else? The chickens. I already told y'all about the chickens. And literally that's it. This is day 1 of the aftermath, postnatal. Okay, yeah, you can go. Okay, let me give y'all an update because it's been kind of crazy. Huh? Go that way with Dada.
Yeah.
Okay, we got a lot done today. We got our power back at like 5 in the morning.
And not trying to raining and the tomato raining.
Yeah, a tornado.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I can see a leaf moving. And we see bird. When we see bird, we see bird die. And the tomato step on the bird.
Yes.
And we had cream.
She's calling it a tomato. It's a tornado. So we got a lot done today. Yeah. Okay, hold on. We got our power back at 5 in the morning, like 5:30 maybe.
Granny, go to bathroom.
Okay, let's go. And then we've been at it all day today. We've gotten a lot done. Like our immediate backyard looks better. The pool still looks kind of crazy. I've like been pulling out branches from out of it, and we still haven't ran it because how cool, because I read that we shouldn't run it right away, so I just turned it off until we get like a majority of the stuff out. So that's what I'm trying to get through, or if we run it, not to like run the filter so that it doesn't, or the skimmer so that it doesn't pull branches or stuff like that into the filter and like pierces it, which is probably a good thing. So I just shut it off. I'm not gonna run it until I start pulling everything out, but it's pretty bad, guys. We were like driving around, and there's some houses that don't have any roofs. I think 30% of our city is out of power still. So they canceled school today. They canceled school tomorrow, the school district, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's supposed to rain tomorrow again, but it is looking better. We've been at it all day. I'm so tired. I think I'm gonna go back to work tomorrow and then maybe be off Wednesday and then go back to work Thursday, and then we're off Friday because we're driving out to Georgia, and we were hesitant about if we were gonna go or not, but I think we are gonna go. But anyways, there's that's the update. I feel like it's going, but it's a lot. Our immediate backyard is looking better, still not 100%, but it's looking better than what we started. And then the back like far out from the shop past towards the back, like towards the remaining of our property, that is going to require a lot of work because there's a lot of trees back there that have like big thick trees that need to be cut down. There's some on top that the branch broke off, but it's being held up by another tree, so we also need to cut those down because it's just if like wind starts to blow or something, that tree could actually fall off because it's broken off. It's just being held up there by another tree, so that's also dangerous because we have the kiddos and they're running around, so there's that. But yeah, thanks to everyone who's reached out. Thanks everyone who reached out to make sure that we were safe and that we were doing well. Yeah, I think that's it. We went 36 hours without power, which was not as bad because it was kind of cool yesterday. I think if we would have still had no power today, it would have started to get bad because it's today's been hotter. But it's been fine. Yeah, we made it work. I got the fire going over there. Pool's looking crazy, but look, I think it's looking better. We had a big old tree over here that we cut down and we burned. We had a big old tree over here. This part of that still needs to be chopped down. And then a big old branch over here. And then this one provided us a lot of shade and it just died out. So there's that. And then the gullies.